Hey everyone, welcome back to Socialindigo. Today, we're checking out the hottest smartphones launched in the last 2 months, from flagship powerhouses to budget-friendly gems. Let's dive in. First up, the flagship phones, Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Leica triple cameras, and ultra-fast 100W charging. Perfect for photography lovers. OnePlus 15, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, smooth performance, and AI features for next-level multitasking. iPhone 17 series. The iPhone 17 Air and other models bring sleek design upgrades and high performance. Apple fans, this is your pick. Mid-range phones. Now, for those looking for premium features without breaking the bank, Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, triple cameras and smooth display, all at a more affordable price. Vivo V60 Series, ZEISS optics, curved displays, and full 5G support. OPPO K13 Turbo, gaming ready with high refresh rate displays and powerful processors. Budget phones. And finally, budget-friendly options that pack a punch. Infinix GT35G Plus, gaming friendly with shoulder triggers and big battery. Redmi 15C, large 6.9-inch display, 50 megapixels camera, and smooth performance. Lava Agni 4, made in India, big battery, and great value for money.